Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be doing my April Boxycharm unboxing video. I'm super excited. Before we get started, please leave a comment if you guys have subscribed to Boxycharm. And let me know what you guys honestly think of it and share some of the items that you guys have received. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to Boxycharm yet, leave a comment, let me know why you guys haven't subscribed, and make sure you guys like the video. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so for this month's Boxycharm subscription, I actually received a much smaller box. I guess the big box was like the welcoming subscription box. It was just like, ooh, welcome to Boxycharm, like here's this huge box. So this month it came in like this smaller one. Okay, my mom was being super loud, so I had to ask her to like quiet it down. I'm like, who are you talking to? I don't know if you guys watched my last video for my March subscription, but I was telling you guys that in the box there was like this little foam piece to make sure that the thing, like the glass items, don't break. This is what I was talking about. I appreciate this. I appreciate the little things. All right, so my 5 items. So the first thing I received is an iconic London lip gloss. Guys, well, actually I didn't say this in my last video, but when you fill out your Boxycharm profile, they're gonna ask you a bunch of questions. You fill out this whole questionnaire about yourself. They're gonna ask like, what kind of eyeshadow colors do you like, lip glosses, what kind of, like what skin type do you have? So when they asked me about lip colors, I picked a lot of neutral colors because I like a lot of nudes and just like transparent like pinks. So I received this iconic pink lip gloss. I'm gonna do a swatch. Ooh. It actually smells good. I'm trying to think what it smells like. It smells like peppermint. Oh wow, this is really pretty. And this, I like it because it's like the pink I like. Wow, this is a lip plumping gloss actually, and it's in the color Peekaboo. I can't wait to try this. I did not know it was a plumping one, so this is exciting. Now I've received, okay, so this is by the brand Illuminati. It's a gel paint electric pink and a gel paint electric blue. What is this? Oh, I don't know if this is like a, it says gel paint. I don't know if it's like an eyeliner. Okay, gel paint. I'm not sure what this is. I guess it could be a lip liner or a eyeliner. I'm gonna look it up. But wow. These show up, wow. These are fun. These are really fun. These are the swatches. These are fun. I can't wait to use those actually. I don't usually buy like super hot pinks or like vibrant blues like this, like anything, like eyeshadow, like anything. So I think this will be fun. I will definitely use this as a eyeliner. Oh my gosh, and this is one of my, oh, okay, wait. I think I'm gonna save this one for last because I've used this last product and it's one of my faves. Anyway, moving along. Okay, another item by Iconic London. It's an illuminator. So this is like a highlighter, like a liquid highlighter. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the, like highlighter drops, but you would apply this before your foundation and then you just put it onto your skin and put it in those areas, and then do your regular makeup routine, and the highlighter would kind of like show through the foundations as like a natural glow. I've never bought highlighter drops, but I'm excited to try this. Okay, so this is just the original one. It just says original. So this is gonna be fun to use too. Exciting. Oh wait, I'll show you guys actually how it looks. Whoa. This is actually very, wow, I was not expecting this to. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna give you a glow. Yeah, there we go. This is like silver-ish blonde. So yeah, this would go under your foundation. Moving along. Okay, so I don't know how this is pronounced. ELEMIS? 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 I'm not sure how to pronounce this name, but I will definitely put it in the description box. However, it is the hydrating juice. It's a super hydrating gel, but I'm super excited to try this. I love finding like new skincare products because I love skincare. So it says to apply every morning to cleanse skin if contact with eyes occurs when you swell. And then my last product, which I've already used. I told you guys I use this product. Like, I buy this consistently and I love it. It's one of the best primers. Is the PoreFessional primer. It's a hydrating primer and it minimizes the looks of your pores. So usually when I buy this from Sephora, I usually get the travel size one. It's a smaller one. However, now I have a full size one. If you guys aren't familiar with this product, it's by Benefit. And this is going to last me a long time because honestly, the travel size one, which is probably like this big compared to this bottle, lasts me a long time because you don't have to use a lot. And honestly, with this primer, I usually put it in my problem areas where my pores look larger than normal. So I'll put it like right here on my cheeks, maybe on my nose, and under my chin. So yeah. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the products because I will begin using them. And I'll answer any questions that you guys have. And even if you guys have any questions about Boxycharm in general, just leave a comment below and I'll make sure I get to answering those for you guys. And I just want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on so that you guys can keep up with my upcoming videos. And yeah, that's this is my Boxycharm.